Hi, in this video let's review how to increase WooCommerce product prices by a specific percentage in bulk. So, first let's install this plugin, BAM, Bulk Editor and Products Manager Professional for WooCommerce. You can use this button, Add New Plugin. Then, let's activate it. After activation, let's go to the Products Editor. So we have products and they has regular price and we want to increase them by 20%. Okay, no problem. First classic way how to select products is checkboxing. Okay, we just selected some products. Next step, we should go to this tab, Show Filters Bulk Edit Expert. Let's click on it. Let's go to the tab Bulk Edit. Next, let's find section Regular Price. Let's enable it. Let's select here Increase by percent. Let's write here, for example, 20%. Let's go here and click on the button Do Bulk Edit. Okay, let's wait a little. So as you can see, our prices changed. But we have another task. We should change price in specific category. So firstly, we should go in the filters, select any specific category, for example this one, and click on the filter. As you can see, products are filtered. Next, we should go to the Bulk Edit tab, find this section Regular Price, enable it by clicking on this checkbox, and let's set here, for example, 30%. And let's leave Increase by percent. Click on the button Do Bulk Edit. Okay, let's wait a little, and as you can see, prices are changed. But if you made any mistake, you always can go to the history and roll back the last operation. Let's click on this button. Okay. Let's wait a little. That's done. Okay, let's go to the Products Editor, and as you can see, price is the same as before the operation. So in this video we reviewed how to increase WooCommerce product prices by specific percentage in a specific category. See you. Bye.